Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email address in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then in the top right corner into settings. And here under my account we find email. If we tap on this, then we can just change our email address to our new one. And then as you can see here, when you change it, it's going to there's a save option that's going to appear, and after we have changed it we can tap on save, and afterwards we can tap on verify. We can actually verify our email address inside the app, and yeah, we will receive some notifications through email, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.